piano. Neon rain doesn't ask questions, so I speak. Neon bleeds down the window pane, city hums my borrowed chain. I talk to lights that never sleep, they keep the secrets I can't keep. Every face I almost told, every truth I learned to hold. I wear my silence like a coat, tucking tight around my throat. I don't need forgiveness now, just somewhere this can land. If I say it out loud, maybe I'll still be a man. This is my neon rain confession. No church, no witness, no direction, just broken words in wet reflection. I whisper to the street, I don't ask to be redeemed, just let the night remember me. In every drop that hits the ground, my truth makes a quiet sound. Sirens pass like old advice, heard too late, paid the price. I chose survival over grace, left some love in empty space. Promises I couldn't keep, names I still don't say in sleep. I smile like I'm untouched, but guilt knows where to touch. I'm not asking to be clean, I know what I've become. I just need this weight to fall before the morning comes. This is my neon rain confession. No halo, no absolution, just standing still in my reflection, talking to the street. I don't ask to be forgiven, just don't let this be for nothing. If the city hears my sound, let it rain it back down. If truth arrives without relief, if honesty still cuts too deep, at least the night will know my name, even if nothing ever changes. This is my neon rain confession.